Okay, welcome to the latest crime scene. I thought I would video real quick the layout with my tools that I'm going to use today. You can see the blowers, Mini and Maxi, the paints, and I have my butane torch in the back. And we're going to be using some blues today and some metallics. So I'll get started here in a few minutes and we'll see how this one turns out. Should be fun. Stand by. Well, here we are. First off, I just want to apologize ahead of time. I have a little bit of an allergy and my nose is a little stuffy, so nothing wrong with me other than good Washington weather, which is full of moss and ferns and everything else that gives you hay fever. So what we're going to do here is my version of a Dutch pour, and guess we'll just get right into it. The always thing I think ahead of time is, which color am I laying down first, which is going to be last? I think about it, and I visualize what it's going to look like when it's done, and every time so far I put them in a different order, and it's not what I visualized. So today, I'm going to start with a dark color on the bottom, and hopefully end up with the light colors on the top. And this dark blue that I'm using right here has this last bit of this secret sauce stuff I mixed up. It gives it a fern effect. So we'll see what happens today. And plus I'm going to use some Amsterdam white and Floetrol to see if I get that jelly look. So far I've never been able to pull that one off either. So here we go. Here we go. Okay. There's that one. And I am going to use some silver. This is, ooh, that's running really good. This is some silver. And I'm going to use some copper. If I can get it open. Alrighty. There is some copper. Oh, that's pretty already. Kind of. Ooh, this is going to be a fun pour today. Okay, now I'm going to go with, this is a darker blue. And we'll put that right along there. And the ever famous and wonderful turquoise. I'm telling you, who doesn't like turquoise? There's turquoise. I'm going to put the white in now. And I'm not sure why, but let's try a little white. I will admit I got way too much pillow white on this thing. I got enough to do another darn painting. Okay, let's see what happens when I put this Amsterdam white on there. And for the piece de resistance, this is a mixed up a little bit of kind of an aqua blue green. Another color I really like. I love blues. And a little metallic. Oh yeah, that's right, metallic. All right, this is gonna be fun. All right. Okay. Here's the, oh, let's try this. Ooh, Look at that, I do have some bubbles. You know, you never know they're there until you bring them to the surface. Okay, that was fun. Okay, folks, the question is, do I blow the white over it? Or do I just do, I don't know. Let's put it on low. Okay. Huh. It's kind of fun looking in itself. Okay, I'm not going to turn this bad boy on too high because you can see I actually got way too much white on there. Good grief, what was I thinking? Okay. You'll never know when it's dry, right? I won't tell anybody if you don't. Okay, here we go. Holy smokes. What do you think, Batman? I'll be darned. You know what? Ay, ay, ay. I may have had a fun, successful pour this time. I'm going to have a couple of, yeah, let me just dig that out with the, it's not like I'm going to be short on white paint, right? Holy smokes. And I'm going to try the little guy here. I got a little bit of silver showing right there. But not anymore. I know if you're watching this, you're saying to yourself, good Lord, he's got enough paint on there. And you're right, of course. You know what, I just kind of like that the way it is. Except for that. Maybe I'll just use a straw instead. Uh-oh. That turned on when I put it back and it making funny noises. Okay, I got a polywog in the knead here, it's white one. You can watch me do this best. And just make him, turn him into a polywog. There's another one. Well, maybe I'll make him a straight line instead. There's a white polywog. You know what? This is fun. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. Going to mix this white in a little bit here. You know, I think maybe I'm not going to mess with it too much. I usually screw with them until they're something unrecognizable from what I started with. And a little bit of the copper came through, the gray came through. I put some of that secret sauce in the dark blue, and I'm not getting a lot of reaction. And I got a little bit of the metallic and the turquoise. But I think that is, I'm going to call that a good one for today. That was worth the pour. Hey, this is a short one. This is Richard. And I'm just going to say thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, I know you're dying to know this, but I'm up to 7 subscribers. I know that is a lot, especially when I started out with me as #1. So if you like these and you enjoy them, hit the subscribe button. I have no idea how to put it on the edit film, so you're on your own for that one. Anyway, it's been fun. See you next time. Okay, here's a little zoom in, and I think I didn't have too many things to correct with my number 2 pencil. I had a few little circles that I didn't turned into polywogs, and they pretty much disappeared. I really am fairly pleased with the colors. There we got a little bit of that copper came through, a little bit of the metallic came through with a very light blue, and the gray came through. So all in all, I think those are pretty pleasant colors, and the composition's okay, so we're going to call this good. This is Richard. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.